Hi, this is Liz. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I want to share what I just picked up from Zara. These are all new in pieces to help you transition from summer to fall. I want to start this video by thanking the sponsor of today's video, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for anyone who loves learning and wants to explore their creativity and learn new skills. This month, I continue learning new skills to better both my YouTube channel and myself. I took 5 classes, some on the topic of YouTube Shorts, which are short form videos like Reels on Instagram and TikTok videos. This is YouTube's version. I learned what I needed to do to grab the attention of short viewers. After taking 2 classes, I created this Shorts. As a YouTube creator, Shorts can help you gain subscribers quicker and improve views on your long form videos. I also took classes on how to be more positive. I love positive people and I want to learn how to improve. One main point I gathered from Dr. Alex was that having a morning routine helps set the pace for the rest of your day. I also love how Dr. Alex described being positive as an energy that you spread around to your children, to your partner, and even your pet. If creating YouTube short videos or learning how to be more positive isn't for you, don't worry. Skillshare has so many topics that one will interest you. Skillshare is the perfect place to start learning topics ranging from photography, gardening, to self-development. Skillshare is offering the first 1,000 people to use the link below a 1-month free trial of Skillshare. Skillshare is so easy to watch because it is ad-free and it has subtitles in Spanish, French, German, and Portuguese. And every week they offer new classes. Skillshare continues to help me so very much, and I'm sharing with you so that you too can gain the benefit. Let's get into the Zara portion of this video. Let's start the Zara haul. But before, if you like this sort of content, if you love fashion, a little bit of luxury, and some lifestyle, don't forget to subscribe. It helps me so very much with my channel. Hit that ring bell notification so you could be notified every single time I upload, which is always on a Sunday and a Wednesday. Let's get started. Now, all of these pieces, I was so excited to share them with you because they are brand new, and you know when you enter the stores and it's changing from summer to fall, everything is so exciting. So the first piece that grabbed my attention so very much was this beautiful cardigan. I love all of the details in this sweater. I love the little bow, the lace all around the collar, and then this little white piece that copies the top part all along the edge of the sleeve and the bottom of the cardigan. This is an extra small and it was priced at $49.99. Now, I think there's many ways that you can wear this. One that I was thinking of, because I'm excited to bring out all of my false leather leggings or my false leather skirts, to pair it up with that to kind of mix the fabrics up, and I can't wait to show you what that looks like. And also you can just pair it with a pair of black jeans and you're good to go. The next item I want to share with you is this beautiful blouse here. When I saw this in store, the color jumped out at me and I had to make it mine. It also comes in many other colors, but I see this blouse as something that I would wear to a parent-teacher conference, somewhere where I need to be a little bit more dressed up, and this will add that element of chicness and looking polished and put together. And this one was at an amazing price of $35.90. It's in an extra small, and I just think it's perfect for that sort of situation where you need to bump it up but still look professional, classy, and chic. The next item I want to share with you is this beautiful long sleeve satin dress. Now, I picked the black, but it also comes in an olive green. I thought that I could get a lot more wears because I can make this date night. I could also make it for meetings. So I went with this one that I could wear again and again. I love that it has the buttons in gold. Gold is my favorite color in the metal. And this waist tie here that you can remove or pair with another belt. But I love everything about it. I love the silhouette of a shirt dress. I just think that you always look polished. This was priced at $49.90. It's an extra small, and I want to show you that on. It has a ruffle on the bottom. This is the silhouette that Zara has made over and over again. I just have picked it up in linen and now in this satin look. dress. The next item that grabbed my attention while I was in store was this blouse. Now, I love a blouse that has this bow tie in the front. I just think it looks so pretty, kind of like a grandma chic, right? So pretty. I love the pearl buttons. Look at the details there. It also carries over in the cuff of this shirt. So this is what it looks like in the back. It's like a crinkled sort of fabric, so you don't have to worry about looking too perfect and ironed because it kind of has that already crinkled effect throughout. This one is priced at $39.90. It's an extra small, and I plan to pair it with like pleather shorts. I think I have a good idea for how this would look perfectly fall. The very last piece that I want to share with you today is this little sweater, short sleeve. Now, I got it in a medium because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized than what it looked like in a small. It doesn't come in an extra small, it just comes small, medium, and large. So I went for the medium because I felt that that would give me a little bit more length. In a small, it probably would have been too short, and you know, I would have my belly button on display, and I didn't want to do that. So I plan to pair this with a simple pair of black jeans. This is just the perfect outfit to wear to go to the movies. You looking chic, not too much, but you still creating a fashion statement. I loved, and the price was at $22.90, and like I said, it's a medium. If you've come this far in my video, thank you so very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Everything you saw in today's video will be linked down below in the description box. Also, don't forget to check out Skillshare so you can get your 1-month free trial. I know you're gonna benefit so much from Skillshare. Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment. What was your favorite piece in today's video? Thank you again. Bye.